Removing the battery on the VW Passat should be an easy job, but it's not always immediately obvious how the battery can be removed from the car. First of all, you need to remove the top cover, and then the front side panel lifts off. Once you have removed this, you'll be able to see the bolt at the side that allows you to lift the battery out. This is a 13mm, and you'll need a socket with a long handle to be able to reach it. Once you've removed that, you'll need a 10mm socket to be able to remove the two terminal blocks. Once that's done, make sure that the leads are safely away, and you'll then be able to lift out the battery. Refitting is the reverse of removal. Refit the 13mm bolt to hold the battery in place, carefully refit the terminals, and you can then put the cover around the front of the battery, which clips in place, and finally the top cover, which attaches to the rear.